strong.
What's up guys, RT Airsoft here with an unboxing today. Now, we're just going to get into it. I'm going to set this aside because that'll make more sense once we open this, so let's get into it. It's this one. Thanks. Jesus. Alright. Alright. Paper. More paper. And as you guys can see, got the Crytek. Nice Crytek box. We got an airsoft guide, field guide. It's a bunch of stuff. This thing. Oh wow. That's not bad. Well, getting on. Just like that stuff. Alright, let's get this out. Alright. Move that aside. Alright. We have the Crytek here. Oh jeez. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Got plastic. Yeah, that does it. There we go. Wow. Alright, it's first out of the box. They give you, wow, that's, give you a 150 mid cap, not line bolt. That's different actually. Looks like next we got a set of iron sights. I think those are back. Yeah. Here's the front, or back, something. And they give you a rail segment. I think that's it. Is it? Something's out. Is it? I don't think it does. No, whatever. Next up, we have the gun. Here's the Crytek Alpha CRB. It's actually really nice, functioning bolt catch. It's actually pretty hefty. Not gonna lie, it's pretty small. It's nice. See the hop up in there. Ambidextrous, select switch, curved trigger. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll see. All right. Let's get on to the next. All right. Set that down in there. Move that aside, and I already opened this one, so I'll just get to it. So there's 5 more Crytek 150 round mags in here. I heard these are actually really nice. Shows you like marks on it, like this like right here's only got 30, and you can see the BBs come up and around the top. And they're actually really nice. They fire through my other gun. So I'll be playing this weekend with the new Crytek Alpha CRB, and gonna put some attachments on her tonight and see how she goes. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.